Now sasa from our previous lesson, we are going now to find out what is the body, what is the mind, and what is the spirit, and what is this source of life, and what is the purpose. Tuanze hivi. Body. Now this is a new lesson. The body. The body is made up of flesh and blood. Flesh and blood. Flesh ni nyama bwana, nyama na mifupa. Alafu hii ni damu. Hiyo kitu nyekundu ukikata mwili inatoka, hiyo ndio damu bwana. But still there are so many small tiny components of the blood and the flesh. Si nyama tu vile unaiona na si damu tu vile unaiona, kuna vitu mingi sana ndani, which we may not be able to disclose now. So this body, for it to be alive, flesh and mind, flesh and blood, hata mind pia iko ndani, but even the mind pia iko ndani. The mind pia iko ndani, but kitu tunataka kudiscuss hapa ni the body. The body is alive because kuna brain, and the brain lives in the brain plus the mind plus flesh plus blood makes the body. Nashika. So the brain, mind, flesh, and blood makes the body. Of course, these ones, the brain is a cell. Brain is a living cells which are in the mind. And the mind is just a tool. It's a collection of impressions and memories. Some part of memories, because some are in the DNA. It's a collection of impressions and memory. Don't mind my handwritings, that's why I talk. Ukiona maneno haiendani na maandishi, unasikiza maneno bwana. So this body which carries the mind, the flesh and blood, which the combination of that is not alive if there's no spirit. The spirit gives life to the mind and the body. So when the spirit gets off, spirit gets off, the mind and the body dies. Do you understand? The mind and body cannot live by itself without the spirit. That's why we say this and this shall pass, but this, the spirit, goes away, out, above the body and the mind. What I mean to say here is that for the death of the body, for death to occur. The spirit must rise off, gets off high above the body and the mind. You understand? So, when the spirit gets off the body here, when the spirit gets off the body and mind, the body dies. But when the spirit rises above the body and mind, the body and mind lives a very fabulous life.